One of the other things in the Zero Trust workshop when looking at Windows updates and covering the things that you need to know as an IT admin is driver updates for your devices. So driver update policies in Intune allow you, the IT admin, to manage and deploy drivers and firmware updates for your Windows devices. These policies help ensure that devices have the latest drivers and firmware, which are essential for optimal performance and security of your devices. You can configure these policies to automatically approve recommended updates or to require manual approval before deployment. To manage these updates, Intune leverages Windows Updates for Business Deployment service. The service identifies applicable updates for your devices and provides a detailed report on the update status, any alerts, and recommendations for remediation. So you can use this technique to monitor the health and performance of your devices and ensure that updates are applied consistently across your org. Managing drivers and firmware updates is crucial to Zero Trust and assumes that since Zero Trust assumes that breaches can occur at any time, maintaining up-to-date drivers and firmware on your devices is essential to minimizing loss to vulnerabilities. Let's jump in. So we've made it pretty easy for you with Intune. And when you opt in for driver updates, it's just a checkbox now. But what I recommend for you is not to blindly approve all updates. And you can if you like, but at least have a deferral if you're going to automatically approve recommended driver updates. The thing to do for your go-do here is create a driver update policy, but set it to manual approval. And this will allow your devices to scan for drivers, detect which are applicable, and then have the service recommend drivers that will be best for your device's performance and security profile. These are all in reports that you can go do. So once you get a sense of month over month, which ones are recommended drivers, you can then start setting up automatic driver approval policies for things to go do. Now, there are some breadcrumb trails here in the UI that we have for where the reports are. So go take a look, see just how many drivers your devices are missing. I bet it's a few. I hope it's not, but I think it probably is.